Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another video, and we are doing the intro on the road. Yeah, Ethan likes just like walking and walking, and that's what we are doing right now. So guess what, guys? Guess what?
Getting
me a desk. Oh my god, I'm so sick.
My walking route in the US is actually 4.5 miles.
What?
Yeah.
How many kilometers are those?
Roughly 8.
8 kilometers. I
If I would
can't
just
do that.
throw out a number, 8, maybe 7.
Yeah. See, now I have to walk with him and just get tired alone because he doesn't get tired.
Sorry, I got distracted by a bug.
I get tired. He doesn't get tired. Is that fair, guys? No, it's not fair. I didn't expect this from you, right? Like, you did tell me that you're getting me that desk next year, but I don't know what made him say that he was getting me like today. We just woke up and said, babe, you know what? Let's go get you that desk.
She was all cute playing on her computer, like just kind of doing things on her computer. So I was like, you know what? Let's give her a workspace.
Yeah, I don't have a workspace. I do it on my bed.
Yeah.
So guys, right now we are going to town. This is Stereo Supermarket. And babe, can you feel the shoes? Oh, I think they're hard. What?
They're hard? Yeah, they're pretty hard.
They're hard
But
for you.
I love your guys' take on coffee tables.
Yeah.
I like
yeah,
that.
our coffee table is so cute. Wait, what kind of coffee tables do you guys have over there? Not like these ones?
Well, they're not designed this way.
Oh, so
This one's kind of more similar.
our coffee table are cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will get this one for my room.
Like, I don't...
Just one. Not now though.
Yeah, actually, this one looks like most coffee tables.
Oh, so you guys have like that.
Yeah.
Remember we had, last time you were here, we had such.
You guys have like a middle compartment for most of your coffee tables. A lot
Yeah.
of coffee tables.
And it's
if
actually-
they have it, it's like a storage box.
And it's so cheap, 5,000.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
So that's less than $50.
Mhm.
Bucks. That's a good one too.
Yeah.
Wow. We need to do our furniture shopping in Kenya.
Yeah, and just transport it there.
Yeah, just finally.
Yeah, so guys, he likes the furniture here because they're so good. And yeah, this one is actually different from the other one. Yeah, so guys, the one that we saw at Naivas was kind of still tall, I think.
Can your computer fit on that?
It will fit here. I think so. What do you think? Yeah, so guys, we want something that can work both way. Like I can use it as my makeup table or dressing table, and also my computer table or my just office table. Yeah, I don't want the normal office table because I don't want things like, I don't want my room to be like so stuffy. I just want something small. How is this?
I like it.
Yeah?
It also comes
What? Oh, we have another one behind here. You think the laptop will fit here, right?
It's gonna be close. It's kind of a small chair for it.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are at this new supermarket. It's a Indian supermarket actually. We saw these, which is pretty. Actually, it's 8,000. But the problem is this kind of high? No.
No, this is
It's the
still
same.
short.
It's the same length. Yeah, so that's what we just saw. Well, I don't know how to pronounce the name of this supermarket. Anyways, let's go see. So right now, my options are open because I just need a workspace. It doesn't necessarily have to be that. Well, if I get a normal table that I can work on, I guess that's good too. So yeah. This is too big. This is too big.
Is it though?
it's so big.
It's nice.
15,000?
This is what you guys consider giant?
A chair, yeah. A chair is 10,000, and the table is 16,700, I guess.
That's not it.
Wow.
Tírate uno,
Oh. Yeah, no, this is too big for me.
This is $100. That's it.
Yeah, it's so big.
It's too big.
Footwear. I need a.
The chair doesn't fit.
Yeah, because we'll need to find space for this.
I'm sure you can find uses for it. You can also add things to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the purposes of a desk like this is you can just build on it.
Mm-hmm.
So like if you wanted a bookshelf, you could also put a bookshelf on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is wider than that.
It's 24.
Hmm?
24.
Yeah, so we didn't find the table at this. Yeah, there were tables, not that we didn't find them, but they were too big.
She doesn't like them because they're too big.
Yeah, I just want something not that small.
And then it's too small.
No, not that small. Something that's not so wide. Something that will just fit a small space because I don't overcrowd my room too. So let's go check at Naivas and see. Yeah, so right now we've gone to 2 supermarkets and yeah, let's go check if we can find them there. Oh yeah. Oh, there. Oh, yeah. This one is pretty small.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, and it's 19,000.
Still a little too wide though?
No, I think it's.
This one's up a little higher.
Yeah, this one is definitely high. Yeah, so guys, we also have this one. It's at 22,000.
It's not as bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You have a stool. There's more space for your computer too.
Yeah,
Yeah, more space for your computer.
there's more space. What about if you're trying to type? Will you strain? Will you strain when you're trying to type? Because I think it will need a higher chair than that. Right?
Yeah, you probably would like a higher chair. I would like a higher chair.
Yeah. The part that I like about this, like, it's shelves. Like, they're pretty nice. This is just, like, the only thing I love about this is this.
Yeah, this one's almost my height too.
Yeah.
About my height.
Uh-huh.
A mirror. You can write champion in lipstick.
Yeah. Oh, here's another one. These ones. Oh, see?
So which one do you want?
Well, I kind of like this one most.
You like this one more?
Yeah. I
More
kind
than
of
this
like
one, huh?
this one more. More than which one?
More than this one, huh?
Well, I like this one too.
It's the size.
Yeah.
Kind of small. It's kind of. It looks like you're just looking for a small desk.
Yeah, I just want something small.
You just want something small? And it also looks like you're looking for something not super elaborate, just something you can work on. And add to later.
I love that one because of the show.
Of the bookshelves, yeah.
Yeah. Here in Mao selection, and I hope I find something that I like here.
It's $25. That's it. Yeah, next time I swear I'm buying stuff when I come to Canada.
Yeah. Yeah, Kenya has a good stuff here, guys. See that? We really have great stuff here. Just come and shop in Kenya. So guys, we're in Mouse selection, and now let's see the things that we'll find here.
Gotta get all of it. There we go.
Yeah, this one is pretty nice. Yeah, I think this is like just a dress table.
You could use it as a computer table, though. Ooh, look at this one. I kind of like this one in front of me.
Kind of high, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's the same level, I think. Oh, that one has a different chair.
That has a different chair. Does it come with the chair? Oh, it's a dressing mirror?
And it has this one too. It comes with this one too. See this? It comes with that one too.
Yeah, so you can finally have some drawers.
Yeah, and a chair.
And a chair, yeah. See? You'd like that. Yeah. So there's that option too. So which one do you like?
Okay, now I'm confused. I don't know which one I want.
You don't know which one you want?
Yeah, but I kind of like the Nivus one, though.
You like the Nivus one? Well, let's go get the Nivus one. Huh? That one too is really nice, huh? Smaller mirror than the Nivus one. Oh wait, the Nivus one doesn't have a mirror. You're talking the table, basically.
This one, I'm gonna strain.
Yeah, if you're sitting on that chair, you might. So.
Nope.
Okay.
And I'm wondering why they don't have office tables here. I'm wondering why they don't have office tables here. Like, I'm gonna ask them. Yeah, I think they shifted some.
Wait till I show you some 80-inch TVs over in Colorado.
Bigger than that?
Yeah, well, not twice the size.
Really? How many each? Nini, office table iko wapi? Juu. Oh. Haya.
What's that?
So they were up here all along.
Oh, okay. That's a nice one.
See, baby? Baby? Okay, is this smaller? Oh, I could get a chair like this.
Yeah, test it.
Okay.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah. This one is not comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a chair like this.
It's only.
And I like that it has a lot of shelves.
Yeah, you have a place for your books. Yeah. And there's a lot more room. The computer is on the correct side, unlike all the other desks we've looked at. Because if you wanted to add a mouse, you could just put it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think this is my last decision.
This is it?
Yeah.
This is the one you want?
This is much better
All right.
than the one at Nivus, because the one at Nivus limits, like, it doesn't have this. It doesn't have this. And yeah, it's not too bad.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like this one. got that table that you saw in our collection, and I'm glad we came here. You didn't want to come here. You just wanted to go with the Nivus one.
I was indifferent either way.
Yeah, he didn't want to come here, and I'm really glad I did push him. Like, I found the one that I liked it here. It has shelves. The table is in the right place.
I found one I like too.
What?
Look, I found one I like too.
I think this is for big offices.
Yeah, it's an office table.
Yeah,
You're
so
an
guys,
office.
finally we got, and we're gonna have to get it fixed at home. So, oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Love you all.